Yo, hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get sharpness to 155 on Minecraft. First, you should know that this is not something that you can get within your normal world. You need to use a command in order to get it. Because normally, when you get your diamond sword and you try to upgrade it on Minecraft or to enchant it, the max level that you are going to get is Sharpness V, which is using an anvil or simply by enchanting it through the enchantment table. So as you can see it right here. Now, what if I wanted to surpass this power? What if I wanted a stronger sword with sharpness 255 that could one-shot every mob? Then in this situation, you will need to actually go ahead and open to line. Make sure to open to line so you can write commands on your word. And the next thing is to simply write down this command. So as you can see, here is the commands. Let's give add player a diamond sword, enchantments level, sharpness 255, show in tooltip true. This will allow you to actually pass the level, so you need to write down this command which will allow you to do so. Once you did that, you will gain it in your inventory, so just by pressing enter. Here we go. So this is the first sword, which is sharpness V, and this is the second one, which is sharpness enchantment level 255. So this is how you can get your sharpness level higher in Minecraft. Thank you guys a lot for watching. Leave a subscribe and a comment, and see you guys in the next video.